socially good television.
This is Great Lakes Science Center Manufacturing Day, and today we work with students from all over the Cleveland area and corporations that volunteer their time to help students learn about all the different kinds of manufacturing careers that are available. There are a tremendous amount of opportunities, and manufacturing looks different today than it did 20, 30, 50 years ago. Some manufacturing is really high tech. Some of it is computer based. There's all kinds of different things, and that technology is constantly changing. There's representation from our corporations that students can see and be like, hey, this is a spot where I can thrive, where I can have a career to help me have a good, successful, and fulfilling life.
We are all coming together to really dive into what advanced manufacturing looks like today. Advanced manufacturing is a term we use to really distinguish what's happening in that field that's so different from what, I grew up with. I grew up in Detroit. We took a school field trip out to the River Rouge plant, and workers from on the line would shout out to us and say, stay in school so you don't have to have a job like that. So the things we think about historically about work that was dirty, that was dangerous, it has transformed along with the industry. These are cleaner work environments, they are safe work environments, and they are a space where you're really working with high-end technology, advanced robotics, you're working with controllers, with sensors. It has completely transformed what manufacturing looks like. We have leaders from across the world right here in Ohio, and they're represented today at Manufacturing Day.
It's a lot more than just parts and, taking those parts out of a machine and shipping them to the customer. I mean, there's so much more that goes into it, from the design of the actual part to, the logistics.
Getting the brightest top talent involved in manufacturing is so important for the future. When you think about clean energy, you think about just making the world a better place, better medicine, better healthcare. That's going to happen by bringing the brightest young minds into manufacturing.
We provide opportunities for people to learn. We provide for job opportunities for the local residents. We provide opportunities for kids to experience, to learn what we do. So we actually grow the next generation, scientists, chemists, engineers, and also manufacturing experts.
Just sharing with all these community youth what we do day to day, really exposing them to how we can impact the world, whether it's through, like Bill said, medicine. Everything we touch, build, everything we have is manufactured.
Well, manufacturing is a very important and probably one of the most crucial parts of the world, in my opinion. It's honestly something that we need.
There is a huge emphasis on workforce development in the state of Ohio. We want to make sure that the young people today are prepared for the jobs of tomorrow. Parents can also help a lot by just exposing their kids to opportunities. We do workforce development stuff all the time here at the Great Lakes Science Center, but we have other kinds of opportunities. So be on the lookout to help kids learn about those opportunities.
Thank you for watching SGTV, and remember to share this video.